All right, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. I have not done one of these in a while. I just got to the point where when I was getting stuff in, I was just opening it up and getting it either on the web store or getting it repackaged and resold as soon as possible. Now that things are calming down again, we're going to go back to doing some unboxing videos. So I got, this is some GPUs from... you know what? We'll just keep them anonymous, but somebody online trading in some GPUs. I figured why not open them up and take a look at them together. So here we go. Bum, bum, bum. All right, let me get them open. The best part about these is I don't always remember exactly what everything is, so it's kind of, exciting. It's like a mystery box, except I paid for everything. Exactly what I know I paid. You know what it is. Tape pretty good. Perfect. Got the buyout contract signed right there. All right, so right off the top, super clean box. Older card for sure, but Radeon RX 580. This is a Sapphire Pulse. I wonder if the card looks as clean as the packaging does. The seller said that all this stuff was in immaculate condition. So, oh yeah, okay. Yeah, she's really clean. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera pretty well. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. I will have to do some testing and make sure all these cards pass benchmarks and have no issues, stuff like that. I don't remember if he said these had custom BIOSes on them or not, so that's another thing I'll have to investigate. But for now, I'll put that in there, lock it down. We got a good looking 580. And that was Sapphire. Okay. Next up, ooh, okay, we got a big boy. Well, not a big boy anymore, but we have a Challenger RX 6700 XT from ASRock. I love having all original packaging. It makes shipping these things 10 times easier because when they're packed well, I just wrap them in a poly bag and send them out the door. Sorry about the sounds. Oh, baby. Okay. In my opinion, I was not really a fan of the Challenger series, this series of graphics cards from ASRock. But this one doesn't look bad, but they do feel a little cheap. The plastic shrouds on these are kind of thin feeling. And then I don't know what it is, what like kind of fans that they're using, but they also feel, and visually, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they look cheap. Like that Sapphire Pulse that we just pulled out, the fans are thicker, beefier. They don't have as much. This one doesn't have any play, but they feel better. They feel solid. Whereas these, not so much. Still great cards. Still can get the job done, though. ASRock Challenger. We have a new Challenger approaching. In my opinion, it wasn't much of a Challenger. Not a very memorable card, that's for sure. Alright. Oh, mama. Okay. We got a big mama right here. So, we got a EVGA RTX 3090 for the Win 3 edition. These cards are absolute workhorses. These were a lot of the few cards in the beginning when the 3090 launched that did not have the overheating VRAM issue. I know some of them did, but for the most part, the For the Win 3 models did not. Now, if you got the XC3, a lot of those did have the overheating VRAM, especially when you were doing like Ethereum and stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I got a soft spot down there, down deep down there for the old For the Win 3s. Oh, look at that. This is a thing of beauty. Thing of beauty. Oh, okay, hold on. This one actually has the copper mod on the back plate. See the copper strips? That's aftermarket. So it looks like he upgraded the cooling on this. I think I talked to him about that. I don't remember. But that's really cool. So this bad boy should run absolutely ice cold. We will get it benchmarked and tested. I'll set it aside for that. Probably won't do the testing and benchmarking in this video because that's just going to take forever. I still have a whole nother box to go through, so I'm going to pause this and go grab that other box. And with the power of YouTube, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have the second package. This is the last one out of this batch. Let's get this bad boy open. This is the big one. Sorry if I was talking and the mic's not picking up because I was saying it over here. All right, another buyout contract. Boom, boom. There we go. All right. Oh baby, look at this. Founders Edition 2060 Super. We gotta pop this bad boy open. Oh baby, look at her. She's beautiful. Wrapped in plastic. It looks like, I mean, it's definitely used. It's got a little dust on it, but really good condition. In my opinion, I have a 2070 Super Founders Edition. This is some of my favorite Founders Edition designs just because it was a pretty big jump from the 10 series. And then 30 series, I feel like they calmed it back a little bit. But like the blingy chrome in the middle and just these were really nice cards. I really like these. Don't know if I'm going to sell this one. This one might go in the collection beside the old 2070. So, let's put that right there. Ventus 3080 Ti. In my opinion, MSI, these cards, these were workhorses. They were not beautiful. They're very basic. I don't even know if these light up. I don't think the Ventus 3X even light up, but 3080 Ti is still a solid card, solid performer. I'm not going to open that one up right now. I've seen so many of them. Well, I'll open it up whenever I test it. ROG Strix 3060, and this is a 3060 12 gig. So this is the good one. This is the good one. Some people forget that there is a 3060 8 gig, and that one is not the one you want if you want a 3060. All right, and we're following it up with a Asus TUF 3080, rock solid card. In my opinion, Asus TUF cards, they shared this cooler with a lot of different series. I think like a 3060, 3070, and a 3080 TUF, I believe, has the same cooler on it. That's just their big overkill, hunky, nice coolers. So, is that all of them? Is that everything? I think that's everything. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Well, that is everything, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm glad you came out. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We will be doing more of this stuff if you like watching behind the scenes. And if you're interested in buying any of this, it will be going on to the web store. So that is bc-pc.com. Yeah. Just a little shout out for myself. But anyways, I hope y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. And Adios. Forgetting something. Actually, I am forgetting something. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not followed or subscribed to the Jellyfish Coin YouTube channel, we're trying to get that channel monetized over there. It's going to be more content based around like trading and crypto tokens, stuff like that. Also, information on the actual Jellyfish Coin token and stuff that's going on with that. We have a Discord for it. So I will put that YouTube channel and that Discord down below in the description above where the normal links go. We'd be glad to have you and come on over there. We're doing weekly giveaways, just having a good time with it. So, yeah. Anyways, y'all have a good one. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.